Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'll be talking about how often you need to replace the batteries in your hearing aids, and also recommending the top best hearing aids for you. Now, the frequency of a battery replacement of hearing aids depends on several factors, including the type of hearing aid, the size of the battery, and how frequently the hearing aid is used. However, most hearing aid batteries need to be replaced every 3 to 14 days, with some lasting longer or shorter depending on the factors mentioned before. Now, hearing aid batteries typically have a lifespan of 7 days to a few weeks, depending on the size and power requirements of the hearing aid. Smaller hearing aids typically require smaller batteries, which may need to be replaced more often than larger batteries used in larger hearing aids. Additionally, the more features and technology a hearing aid has, the more power it will require, which can impact the battery life, of course. Also, the hearing aid manufacturers or hearing healthcare professionals can offer guidance on the appropriate battery size and replacement schedule for a specific hearing aid model, as it's important to follow the manufacturer's recommendations for battery replacement to ensure optimal performance and avoid any potential damage to your hearing aid. Additionally, regular cleaning and maintenance of the hearing aid can help extra lifespan. For example, removing the batteries when the hearing aid is not in use, or storing the hearing aid in a humidifier can help prevent moisture damage and extra battery life. Now, as mentioned before, there are types of hearing aids to choose from that can impact the battery life. And so I've made a list of the top 3 best hearing aids to help you choose the right one for you based on your needs in case you are looking for one. You'll also find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, if you're interested in purchasing one. And so I've been testing many different hearing aid services, and I've narrowed it down to Jabra Enhance, MD Hearing, and Hear.com as the best 3 services overall. Each one of them comes with its own set of hearing aids, as well as varied prices and clear features that set them apart from each other. Additionally, each caters to your own particular lifestyle and preferences, but you need to take into consideration many factors before choosing the best one for you, and that's why I'll be explaining each one thoroughly. Starting with Jabra Enhance, and this is going to be the one to get if you're looking for a hearing aid with a wide range of features. Now, their enhanced hearing aids are designed to offer a premium listening experience, as they are discreet and easy to use with a range of features like customizable sound settings, voice assistant integration, and gesture controls that can be customized to individual needs. Also, the Jabra Enhance hearing aids use advanced noise reduction technology to filter out background noise and enhance speech clearly. They also come with a companion app that allows users to adjust settings and access additional features, which allows for customization of sound settings and the ability to stream music and phone calls directly to the hearing aids, and has Bluetooth connectivity. And so if you're someone with mild to moderate hearing loss that wants a premium hearing aid with tons of features but don't mind paying a bit extra for them, Jabra Enhance is my top recommendation for you. Next up, we have MD Hearing, which will be the best budget option, and while they are designed to be easy to use and accessible to everyone, they may not offer the same level of customization and features as Jabra Enhance. However, they do offer a wide range of hearing aids at an affordable price point without requiring any prescription or professional fitting. They are also designed to amplify speech and reduce background noise, making them ideal for people who need help in social situations. However, you can only order MD Hearing online, which can be an issue for those who like to see and try their hearing aids. Ultimately, if you are on a tight budget, suffering from mild to moderate hearing loss, and still want an easy-to-use hearing aid with the basic features, then MD Hearing is your go-to choice, as they offer an excellent combination of affordability and convenience. And then lastly, we have Hear.com. Now, Hear.com is the best option if you want personalized solutions and over-the-phone consultations. So with a consultation and hearing test to assess individual needs, Hear.com offers a personalized recommendation for hearing aids or other hearing solutions depending on your needs. Additionally, Hear.com's hearing aids are also designed to be comfortable and discreet with advanced features like noise reduction and Bluetooth connectivity. Now, one potential downside of Hear.com is that their services may may be more expensive than Jabra Enhance and MD Hearing, but unlike the other two, they offer financing options to help make hearing solutions more accessible to everyone. So if you're experiencing mild to severe hearing loss and you just want a concierge type of service at the comfort of your own home and don't mind spending extra money for it, then Herecom is the best fit to meet your unique individual needs. And so to sum it up, when it comes to finding the right hearing solution, these are the best in the market to consider, as Jabra Enhance, MD Hearing, and Herecom each offer unique benefits and drawbacks. So it's important to weigh these factors carefully before making a decision. So Jabra Enhance wireless, sleek design, and a wide range of unique features make them the best option for tech-savvy individuals who are looking for a premium listening experience with advanced features. Now, MD Hearing's affordability and convenience make them the go-to option for those who want an over-the-counter budget solution. And finally, Herecom's personalized consultation and remote care options make them the top choice for those who prefer a professional guidance in finding the right hearing aid. So that's it for this video. Again, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn more about them. And feel free to comment down below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys. And like and subscribe if you found this video helpful or would like to stay up to date with our future videos. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one, I guess.